houseplant friends, let's get into some plant shopping at Ikea. First, we're starting with the jade, and these are in 6-inch pots. In the 6-inch pot, it looks like they're priced at $13 each.
That's what I was thinking. If we got a really small one and only have like a one fish in there.
They do have succulent arrangements, and the succulent arrangements, they're priced at $17 each.
Yeah, I like those ones.
They've got the white pot as well as the black. And up here, they've got those ficus bonsais for $25. Two color options, the black and the white. They also have the orchids. Now the orchids, they're priced at $17 each. Look at this. Such a beautiful, dark, rich color. And that's 2 spikes in the pot.
I think it was it was 40 bucks.
Some beautiful colors. They also have the anthurium, and the anthuriums, they're $13 each. 2 different colors of the anthuriums, actually 3. More traditional red, that's lovely. They've got the pink, and more of a cream yellowy green. The marantas, the pothos, they've got the tropicals. They're $5 each. Now the pothos, these are in larger sizes. A 6-inch pot for $10. And down below, they've got the aloe. These look like 4-inch pots, and they're $5.
What about this one?
The Dracaena, only $4. Nice that they've got them branching. You can find majority of them with 3 branches. Looks like all have 3 branches. They're $4 each. And check out the sansevierias. Sansevierias are in 6-inch pots for $10 each. Beautiful colors. The moon cactus. Beautiful colors on the moon cactus. Moon cactus, they're $8. And they've got the peperomias. Oh, look at this. They also have the syngoniums. Beautiful pink on the syngoniums for $5 each. And the peperomias, peperomia, I believe they're $5 as well. Loving the variegation. The green is also beautiful. They do have some succulents in ceramic pots already. These little succulents are gorgeous. Now, are these priced at $5 each? Possibly. So beautiful. This are Worthia as well. But these Echeverias are really speaking to me. A Worthia limbifolia is not too bad. The Gollum Jade. These are so cute. And the regular jade. That's a really cute find. Not sure of the price. Really got to confirm if they're $5. If they're $5 each, that's a good value. They've got the 3 packs of the cactus for $15. And look at these packs. Echeverias, I've got some larger echeverias, and these are $5 each. This one's particularly nice. It really speaks to me. I love the way the leaves shape. Although this one over here with the dark tips and that lemony green, very attractive. They've got the Orthias. And up top, they've got the Bella Palm. Bella Palm is in a 6-inch pot. And they're 12 each. Some more Marantas and some more Echeverias. Really pretty. More of the 3-pack with the cactus. And pothos. Oh, the money tree. Nicely braided. I love that. A little bit of twine. They're $13 each. Lucky Bamboo. Lucky Bamboos are back in stock. They've got 2 different styles. And possibly both styles are priced at $3 each. Check out these ficus. They're in that large 8-inch pot. And they're $40 each. Look at the trunk on this one. This is really speaking to me. Isn't that lovely? More of their money trees. But check this out, the ponytail palm. They're 17 each. They also have some large dracaenas. These are really beautiful. Lovely 4-stem braid. And this is a 10 or 12-inch pot. Just beautiful. Not sure of the price on these, but they also have the Bird of Paradise. Something's priced at $64. And that looks like the Dracaena. So these are $64. And the Bird of Paradise, not totally certain of this beauty. These palms, they've got them priced at $25 each. Let's take a closer look at those Bird of Paradise. These are stunning. And the pots are not bad too. They're plastic but slightly decorative. Thanks for joining me at IKEA on a short shopping trip. Remember to like, subscribe, and comment. And follow me on Instagram at Life of Bellina.
एक नंबर दिया, एक नंबर दिया।